Hello everyone, welcome to the Digital Skilling Preparation course. In this video, we are going to see a feature called word count in MS Word. A word count is most often needed in a writing project or assignment which has a minimum character length. To get word count, we can just go to the lower left hand side of your MS Word document and you can see here there is a word count already available by default. This would not come up if you right click on it and take off the word count and character count option shown in the list. So in order to bring it back, we can simply right click again and go to word count and click word count option as I am showing now. In addition to this, when you click on your word count, this dialog box will appear. It will give you the details of the number of pages in your documents along with the words and character count, count with and without spaces, count of paragraphs, lines, etc. There is also another way by which you can access the word count dialog box. Go to the Review tab at the top of your screen and click on the word count option. When you click on that, the same dialog box will appear where we can get the details as shown before. Here you can disable, include footnotes and endnotes if you don't want to include those in your word count. Let's say that I just wanted to check the word count of any one paragraph of this document. For example, I'm selecting this second paragraph and then I'm going to the review option and selecting the word count. Here, the word count would only take into account the paragraph which you have highlighted. Hope you have understood how to use the word count feature in MS Word. Thank you.